My name's Adam, and this is my renovation here on Iris Street. Week 86 goes by really quickly. I do a bunch of drywalling down here in the bar area. My mom and dad help me a little bit with some of this wall drywall. I do some myself, which may or may not have been a good idea. And I also spend some time out and brush for Father's Day and get some good runs in around the state. So let's get cracking on week 86. I don't get a ton done on the house this week because I'm running and doing things with my family. So I start off the week with a run at Mount Sanitas. It's only about 9 miles, but it gets me about 1,800 feet of vertical, which is good vertical training. It's also really pretty this time of year. With the ceilings in the bar area complete, I can turn my attention this week to the remaining walls in the basement that need to be drywalled. I start the weekend off with my long run, but I'm switching it up this weekend, starting at a trailhead in El Dorado Springs called Fowler Trail, and this connects via another trail and then finally to a third trail, which is the Walker Ranch Loop. This netted me about 20 miles and 3,800 feet of elevation gain, which is good vertical training for the Ultra and Steamboat that will encounter about 8K of vertical. On Sunday, I headed out to brush. It's Father's Day this weekend, so my sister and I headed out there. She brought her daughters to spend some time grilling up some burgers and hanging out with Dad. Thanks to my company's generous vacation policy, I happen to have Monday off, so Mom and Dad came up and we hung the remaining drywall down in the basement bar here. Some of these sheets are pretty big and heavy, so it helps to have some extra hands. We're actually hanging up 5/8" sheets on these walls because I had a bunch extra, and that was actually all that I had left. And I think that's going to work nice because for some of these walls that aren't perfect, they add a little bit more forgiveness, but also between the theater room, it's going to add just a tiny bit more sound deadening. So just cranking away on the basement here and getting those final sheets hung up.